In the decimals lesson, you may come across these questions like why is 1.5 the same as 1.50 or 1.500? It takes time for a child to understand the concept of a decimal point and a decimal notation of a number. In this video, I shall explain some activities to help improve children's understanding of decimal representation. Activity: Hunt for decimals. Children learn from anything and everything they experience. Give them some newspapers and ask to search for decimal numbers. Stock exchange rates and city minimum maximum temperatures etc. are also represented as decimals. Children can find and mark them with a color pen. Their real life experiences are sufficient to give them plenty of opportunities to use decimal numbers. Activity: Measurement with pencil and eraser. In this activity, we are going to measure the length of a string using a pencil and eraser. Take an unsharpened pencil and an eraser, rectangle shape. The length of the pencil should be approximately 10 times that of the eraser. The string is longer than the pencil. Now use the pencil to find the length of this string. How many times the pencil is this string? Keep the string straight and measure. Observe. 3. Some portion of the string is left unmeasured. What about the remaining portion? It is less than a pencil. Can we measure that portion with the eraser? Yes, measure it. It is 6 times the eraser. So the string is 3 times the pencil and 6 times the eraser. Let me write this in a table. The length of the string measured is 3 times the pencil and 6 times the eraser. Let us check how many times the eraser is the pencil. Measure it and see. 10 times. Now, what portion of the pencil is the eraser? If 10 erasers are equal to 1 pencil, 1 eraser is equal to how much of the pencil? 1/10. Let me draw a line which is of the same length as the pencil and another small rectangle with the same length as the eraser. Let me mark it. 1/10, 2/10, etc. 10/10 by moving the eraser along the line. So the eraser is 1/10 of the pencil. Then 6 times the eraser means 6 times 1/10, which is 6 into 1/10. That is 6/10 of the pencil. Therefore, the string is 3 times the length of 1 pencil and 6 times length of 1/10 of the pencil. In the table, I am writing ones below the pencil and tens below the eraser. So, what is the length of the string in terms of the pencil as a whole? 3 6/10. For convenience, instead of writing 1/10 each time, we put a dot. For example, 3 6/10 is 3.6. This show 3 ones and 6 tenths. So, 3.6 equals 3 into 1 plus 6 into 1 by 10 equals 3 6 by 10. The dot is called the decimal point. This notation for the numbers using the dots is called the decimal notation. Suppose I write 1 in the ones column and 5 in the tens column. What is that number in decimal notation? It is 1.5. How will we write this as a fraction? It is 1 5 by 10. How will you expand this in terms of ones and tens? 1.5 equals 1 into 1 plus 5 into 1 by 10. A decimal number has two components, a whole number part and a fractional part. Just like whole numbers, decimal numbers also have place value. As you know, while writing a whole number, the rightmost digit is automatically assumed to be in the ones place. In decimal system, a dot placed between the whole number and the fractional parts, it is just after the ones place. Now you can answer, why is 1.5 the same as 1.50 or 1.500? Try to expand and check. 1.50 equals 1 into 1 plus 5 into 1 by 10 plus 0 into 1 by 100 equals 1.5. 1.500 equals 1 into 1 plus 5 into 1 by 10 plus 0 into 1 by 100 plus 0 into 1 by 1000 equals 1.5. The activity method helps children to develop their ability to think mathematically. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Bye.